If you are using SPSS for your data analysis, you can either type your data straight into the worksheet here, or more likely you've already collected the data and put it into a spreadsheet like Excel and you would prefer to import it. So to open up some data that's in another format, just go to File, Open Data. In this case, I need to tell it to look for an Excel file, and my soft drink data is sitting here. Open. Now it has a little option here to say read variable names from the first row of data. Now I want to check this on. So I want the first row in Excel, which I had all my variable names written into, not put in the first row here because SPSS considers any row to be data. I actually want it to go in this header row, which has just got var for variable written on each column. And now I can see that my variable names have gone up to the top. It has taken out the brackets though, so that was time bracket, seconds, close bracket, height bracket, millimetres, close bracket, and it's taken those out. And I'll just scroll through and check it's got everything else correct. So I've got Diet Coke here with a space and it's handled that fine. SPSS has one other feature that other packages tend not to have, and that's called variable view. You need to go into this and check that it's dealing with your variables properly. In variable view, it lists each of your variables down the side here. Now I might want to change that back to just being time and leave the label as time seconds, so it's imported that for me. Now I just want to check that the measure is correct. Scale means continuous, as in you can measure it on a scale. So time I can measure on a scale, height I can measure on a scale, type of soda I can't, that's nominal. I nominate that into categories, so that's correct. Height again, and amount of bicarb scale as well. So it's done that correctly. If it has misinterpreted your data, then you need to check that it is the right measure. If it has got the type wrong, then you need to change that too. So numeric is correct, numeric is correct, and string just means it's letters. If you needed to change one of these, just click onto it, click the blue dots, stop being numeric and turn it into string. And these are the only two options you're going to need, numeric and string. Okay. Except I'll change that back because I wanted it correct at numeric. And then you're ready to go.